Hello guys, so today video we have a Dell Latitude E5250. So the problem with this laptop, it does not turn on, and when plugged in the charging LED goes out. So let me show you. You can see this is the charging LED, and this is charging port. I you see? So look at this. You can see the charging light is the charging LED. All the adapter LED is blue. So let's put it off. So this is the problem. So we're going to fix this problem. So we're going to check the motherboard. I'm sure this motherboard have a short turn multimeter and diode mode. We're going to check for short as quick as possible. What's the problem over here? So multimeter is in diode mode. So we're going to check first the 19 power rail. Let's remove the heatsink first. Heatsink. Remove the heatsink first. After that, we're going to check with the 19. Remove the RAM also. We're going to check the 19 power rail. So this is you can see the red cable is here. So we're going to find the first and second MOSFET. Remove the Wi-Fi adapter or Wi-Fi card. Take it out. Maybe the cord. Okay. So come is multimeter. So this is a 19 voltage parallel. You can see this is the coil. After the coil here, we have the first MOSFET is here. After the first MOSFET, after the first MOSFET, I think the second MOSFET is on the other side of the board. So look at this point. You can see it's beeping. This is the second MOSFET. So we have the first MOSFET is here. So let me show you over here. Look on the screen. Look on the screen. So this is the first. This is the first MOSFET. You can see the first MOSFET, and this is the second MOSFET. This is the second MOSFET. After the second MOSFET, we have. You can see the holes. This is the hole means the power is moved on that side of the board. Means from here we have a current resistance from that hole is going to current sensor resistor. Let me show you to prove it. Yes, it's coming at the second. So I'm going to measure this short on this first MOSFET, not shorted. Second MOSFET, also not shorted. So what I'm going to do, so what we're going to do, I'm coming with power supply. You see, at least 5 voltage. So I'm coming with 5 voltage from power supply. Coming with 5 voltage from power supply and 3 ampere. So you can see this is my power supply. This is from power supply. So let me show you. You can see the power supply is set to 5 volt and 3 ampere. Turn on. You can see taking 0.0014. So if you take this, it increase the voltage to maybe 15. Turn on. You can see the short. So this is the problem. So let reduce the voltage to 10. You can see the short is still shorting. And suppose take 19. This laptop use 19 voltage. So let's set 7. You can see even let's set 5. And see 5 we have with this. Let increase 7. 6 we have this. So you can see the voltage is 6 and the ampere 3. So it is dropped from 6 to 5.1. So it means that there is a short. So we're going to find this short. So this is your motherboard. The chip is not shorted. from this point. I think this capacitor is shorted. You can see this capacitor. Let me use the petrol. Oh, the voltage is dropped to 2. So let put the petrol. Turn on the power supply. Which one is shorted? Which couple is shorted? So it's sure like the first and second MOSFET are shorted, but I think this is not true. So what I'm going to do, I'm coming 5 voltage after second and first MOSFET. So let me do that fast as quick as possible. So now I'm coming 5 voltage or 6 voltage after the current sensor resistance here. This is a current sensor resistance. And something's getting hit. Something is shorted. Which one is shorted? Which component is shorted? Something is shorted. So guys, now we are going to measure the impedance of the first and second MOSFET again. So let me begin with second MOSFET. The second MOSFET. MOSFET is good. It's good. So let's measure the impedance of the first MOSFET. This is the first MOSFET. You can see it's beeping. This is the first MOSFET. We're going to measure the impedance. You can see the gate with source and drain is beeping. With the drain is beeping. It's beeping. So this MOSFET is dead. So we're going to change it. I'm going to change it. This is the first MOSFET. This is the first MOSFET, so we're going to take it out. You can see this is it cleaning. Let's remove it first. So I'm going to use Heliocent 350 centigrade temperature to remove this MOSFET. I have to be careful. Oh, so the MOSFET is out. So wait for the body to cool and we are going to measure it again. So guys, we are going to cleaning and measure it again. So guys, we're going to measure the MOSFET which we are removed, which is this one. So let me measure it if it's dead or not. Whoa, the MOSFET is shorted. You can see it's beeping. You hear that beep? Change the probe side position. You can see it's beeping. So this MOSFET is dead. So what is this? But you still have a short on the board. So let's check here. This is the current sensor resistor. It's still beeping, means we have the short on the board. So we're going to check for it. So I'm coming again with 5 volt. Just the 5 is enough. And on. We still have the short. Which one is shorted? So I'm going to find the hot component in the body by touching. 5 voltage is released to 3 voltage. Hmm. Let's change the board to outside. Touch on the board. I see smoke here. This battery. Machine is shorted. What is this? Which component is shorted? Move the tape. If we don't find it by hand, we can use the same camera. Which component is shorted? Why? We take more current and we don't see it. Now we are using my camera, so now we can export the shot. You can see this is the shorted component. This component is get hot, so let me show you the same camera. Look at the same camera. Look at my same camera. You can see this point is reading 67 centigrade. Take a look. You can see that point 69.70 centigrade. So that's the point. That's the point here. This you can see this point. This point is shorted. Look at this. Look at my hand. Look at my finger here. The highest temperatures here means that this component is shorted. Component around here shorted. You can see the centigrade is high and heat signature. So so which component? The component are here. Let me show you. The component are here. At this point, these two capacitors, one is shorted to ground. So we're going to remove one by one and test it. So it is easy to spot a shot by using the same camera, but not easy to use hand. So you can see I have used a hand for a long time, but we get nothing. So I'm going to show you using multimeter. So let me show you. I'm going to use the multimeter and show you which component are shorted. Turn on multimeter in diode mode, bit mode. Look at this two capacitor. This meter and diode, you can see it's beeping. You can see the capacitor is beeping. Look at this capacitor. It's beeping. And this. One of the capacitor is shorted. Look at the reading. One of the capacitor is shorted, so we're going to remove one by one and check it. One by one. So we're going to remove one by one. Let me increase the temperature to 400 centigrade. So one capacitor is out. And the second also is out. So wait for the board to cool. Then we are going to measure if the short is still existing or what. So wait for the board to cool. So guys, the two capacitors here, you can see them. Multimeter is in beeping mode. You can see the first capacitor is not beeping. Look at that. Nothing is good. The second capacitor is beeping. You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So this is the short capacitor. Let me measure it again. Look at the multimeter. Look my multimeter there. Let's measure the second capacitor and look at my multimeter over there. Look at my multimeter. It's beeping. So you can see the reading 0.0, 0.6 shorted to ground. This capacitor is dead. This capacitor is shorted. You can hear the beeping sound. Again, you can hear the beeping sound. You can hear the beeping sound. So this capacitor is shorted. This capacitor is shorted. This capacitor is shorted. So we're going to And so now we're going to measure the body. After measuring the capacitor, this is the point where we have removed the capacitors. This is the ground. This is ground. Plus, no short. No short here again. We can look at the current sensor resistance here. No short anymore. No short. No short. So the short is gone. So the capacitor which I show you is dead. So I'm going to turn this capacitor to the original position. This one, because this is good capacitor. So I'll turn the capacitor. Remember, this is a parallel capacitors, so no need to replace all the capacitor, just one. Yes, I'm going to use the one which is not shorted between the two. It is little amount of flux. After that, we're going to find the MOSFET. Remember that shorted, the first MOSFET is shorted, but this is the problem. The first MOSFET was shorted by mistake. So wait for the board to cool while we find the way to replace the first MOSFET. So in MOSFET we have N channel and P channel MOSFET. So let's look at this MOSFET if it's P or N channel, and then we are going to replace it. So we're going to check if the MOSFET is P or N channel MOSFET. Look at the last number of the marking code is 1, which 1 is the odd number, which means this is P channel MOSFET, because the last number of the marking code is 1, which is odd number, which means this is P channel MOSFET. So that and the P channel MOSFET will replace the first MOSFET. So now I think you know difference between the P and the N channel MOSFET. P channel, the last number of the marking code is odd, and the N channel MOSFET, the last number of the marking code is even. So I'm going to grab the donor board and find the. And finally, we have found the P channel MOSFET. You can see the last number of the marking code is 1, which one is odd number, which means it's the P channel MOSFET. So I'm going to measure. No short. The MOSFET is good. No short. MOSFET is good. So we're going to use this MOSFET. So I'm taking down this MOSFET. So I'm taking out the MOSFET. So the MOSFET is out. So this is our board. This is the board. I'm going to put the first MOSFET. I'm cover this point with aluminium foil in order to avoid to burn the plastic material here. So put the MOSFET back. We're going to put the MOSFET back. This is the new MOSFET, good MOSFET. is. Let's wait for the board to cool, and then look at your MOSFET. Because MOSFET is not fitting into place well. Now good. So wait for the board to cool. So guys, after removing the short and replacing the first MOSFET and the short capacitor, now we're going to check if the motherboard is fixed. So coming to multimeter and diode mode, the black probe on ground and positive on the current sensor resistance. Look at this point. No short again. No short. No short, no short. So I'm going to test it. I'm coming to see adapter. So we're going to check again with the adapter if we still have the short or not. So you can see this power adapter. We see blue LED on, plug in. If we turn off, means that the board is still shorted, but if not turn on, if not turn off, the board is good. Whoa, you can see the LED does not go off, means that we fixed the problem. So let's turn on this laptop. We have the power button over there. Let's turn on the laptop. You can see the LED is on. Look at this. It's on, then off. You can see the LED is on. Means that the laptop is on. The CPU is hot, so I'm going to turn off the laptop and then test it again with RAM because I didn't put RAM or heatsink. So let's put the heatsink first. Here's the heatsink. Heatsink. Let me install the heatsink again. Put the heatsink back. Sorry for my broken English because I'm a Tanzanian, so we speak Swahili language here. The RAM, this is the RAM memory. Put it back. After put the RAM, so I'm going to install the LCD. This is LCD. LCD, where can we install the LCD? You can see we have already installed the LCD. So look what's that. Laptop is on. Not turn it on. So it's on. Look it again. Whoa. Look at the display. Whoa, the Dell logo is on. You can see we fix it. Look at this. To continue, press F1 key. So guys, this is how to fix a shorted motherboard. And so it's fixed it. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is Computer Tech Lab. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.